So today's program is to sort this array with the help of bubble sort. To sort this program with the help of bubble sort. So bubble sort is a simple sorting technique which uses two for loops and a swapping method for sorting the array. Which uses two for loops and one swapping method to sort the array. So what will happen in this bubble sort? It will simply check whether the two numbers are on the which are adjacent to each other are in an increasing order or in a decreasing order or not. So here what is happening? 2 is greater than 3. This is a correct order. But 3 is greater than 1. This is not correct. So what will happen? In the condition, we will check if 3 is greater than if 3 is greater than 1, this is false. So what will happen? These two integer will simply get swapped. These two integers simply get swapped. And same goes with every integer. Here 5 is greater than 4. This is not possible. So this integer will get simply swapped. So here let me write the code. First of all we will use two for loops. I will create a for loop I is equals to 0 and using the array should go till the last element of the array's length. Okay, array dot length -1. We are taking -1 because array starts from 0. Here we will create another nested for loop and to avoid confusion we will use j as a local variable. Okay, and j will also starts 0 and ends at the length of the variable. And to be more precise, we can use -i to avoid the comparison of the last variable, to avoid the comparison of the last numbers. Okay, so here we will write the condition to check whether if these two numbers or the adjacent numbers are equal or they are in a specific order. If the number on the left is greater than the number on the right. So the condition goes on like this: if ARR of j is greater than ARR of j plus 1. So what will happen? Int ARR of j. Sorry, if we will use a temporary variable to first store the ARR of j. Okay, temporary variable is a must to store these values. Okay, then again what will happen? In ARR of j we will store ARR of j plus 1, array of j plus and array of j plus 1. Okay, and in the next step we will assign the arrays j plus 1 value to temporary variable. We are not assigning, we are simply copying the value. Since these all are reference types, so we are passing the references. There is no data type, what can we say, objects here. We are simply passing the references. To print the values we will use another for loop, int x ARR and io.println. I will print x, and for better clarity I will give some space. Okay, so I think the code looks fine. First let's run the code, compiling correctly. Okay, so let's remove this. Okay, the code is running fine, so the array is sorted using with the help of bubble sort.